Understanding Mother's Recipe, a guide to English phrases. Hello everyone, welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're exploring a very special phrase, Mother's Recipe. This phrase is not just about cooking. It carries much more meaning and emotion. Let's dive in and understand its significance in English. Mother's recipe refers to a cooking recipe that has been passed down from a mother to her children. These recipes are often treasured because they're seen as a piece of family heritage. They represent love, tradition, and family memories. Often, these recipes are handwritten and may include secret ingredients or methods that make them unique. In a broader sense, Mother's recipe can be used metaphorically. It signifies something precious, full of wisdom, or a method of doing things that has been passed down through generations. For example, someone might say, her mother's recipe for dealing with challenges is patience and kindness. The phrase also holds cultural significance. In many cultures, recipes passed down from mothers are a way of preserving family history and cultural identity. They're often shared during special occasions, making them an integral part of family gatherings and traditions. You might use Mother's Recipe in everyday conversations to express nostalgia, respect for tradition, or a deep connection to family values. For instance, I'm using my mother's recipe for the Thanksgiving pie. It reminds me of home. We hope this exploration of Mother's Recipe has given you a deeper understanding of its meaning and usage in the English language. It's a phrase that beautifully blends culinary tradition with emotional and cultural depth. Thanks for watching, and keep exploring the richness of English expressions.